You're witnessing one of nature's most extraordinary displays, a giant python overpowering and consuming an impala. At first glance, it almost feels unreal, a creature with no claws, no venom, no fangs to rip apart flesh, taking down prey far larger than its own head. And yet, that's the power of the python. Unlike venomous snakes that inject toxins, pythons rely on pure muscle. They are masters of constriction. Once they strike and coil, every breath the prey exhales becomes its last chance for air. The snake tightens little by little until oxygen can no longer reach the brain. Contrary to popular belief, pythons do not crush bones. The kill is quick, silent, and efficient through suffocation. Now the real marvel begins, swallowing. Their jaws are not fused the way ours are. They're connected by stretchy ligaments, allowing them to open incredibly wide. Piece by piece, the impala is drawn in. Always head first, because this way, the horns, legs, and body fold naturally, making the process smoother. Here's a fact that might surprise you. Once a python eats a meal of this size, it can survive for weeks, sometimes even months, without hunting again. Its digestive system goes into overdrive, producing powerful acids that break down bones, fur, even hooves. Nothing is wasted. Pythons are among the largest snakes on Earth. Some species can reach lengths of more than 7 meters. Imagine crossing paths with one of those in the wild. But despite their size and power, humans are not their typical prey. Attacks on people are extremely rare, and usually happen only when humans invade their habitat or handle them carelessly. In many cultures, pythons have inspired myths and legends. Some believe they can hypnotize prey with their gaze. Others say they can unhinge their jaws. The truth? They don't need hypnosis. Their ambush skills are enough. And their jaws never truly unhinge. They simply stretch and flex in ways that seem impossible to us. What's also fascinating is the python's patience. They can lie still for hours, even days, waiting for the perfect ambush. When the opportunity comes, the strike is explosive, faster than the human eye can follow. A single mistake from the prey, and it's all over. And let's talk about the role they play in nature. Pythons are apex ambush predators. They keep populations of animals like antelopes, monkeys, and wild pigs under control. Without them, ecosystems could collapse. So while scenes like this may look brutal, they're essential for balance in the wild. Some scientists have even studied how their bodies change after a massive meal. Their organs actually grow in size temporarily to handle digestion. The heart, liver, and intestines expand, and once the process is done, they shrink back down. It's a remarkable biological adaptation that no mammal can match. If you've ever wondered whether a python feels pain while stretching itself around such a large meal, the answer is no, not in the way we do. Their ribs are flexible, their skin is elastic, and their muscles are built for expansion. What looks uncomfortable to us is completely natural for them. So as you watch this python engulf an entire impala, remember, it's not just a feeding. It's millions of years of evolution on display. A predator perfectly adapted to survive, thrive, and maintain balance in its world. And now the question for you. If you came across a python like this in the wild, would you stay and watch in awe, or would you run for your life?